What's going on, boys? John Funded with another bat testing video and another update on FX Replay. Love to see it. It is hot as balls in here, bro. Fucking hell. Alright, I think we have 1 week left of this month. We're down 1,300. Easily be able to bounce back. A week is plenty. Why is it glitched like this, bro? Interesting. Monday 24. Alright, no news Monday. Back at it with the no news. Price looks like it chopped a little bit. Didn't really move anywhere. So, higher time frame, we're in a bearish downtrend. Could be targeting these lower draws in liquidity. We also have this 4-hour draw. This 1 hour. This 1 hour. See if ES has anything for us. So both indexes look pretty bearish, I think. Yeah, we're in bearish order flow on both indexes. See what pre-market does to us. Alright, so we took out London low, and looks like we pushed past it. Right now we're currently filling a gap currently. Alright, now we have an SMT at Asia low. ES didn't sweep it. NQ did. Now, if we see some bullish momentum to confirm that SMT, it would be pretty nice. Like a 5-minute break to the upside. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get that. Price is already kind of not moving too well. Yes, with a strong break to the upside. But now we're just dumping back to the downside. Already manipulated all these lows to the downside. Still have that huge SMT. Tornado. That's noise pollution, bro. So we inverse this gap while breaking in the 1 minute. Are we dead ass? Indexes look pretty opposite. No, okay, not now. NQ or ES is bull running. See, like, the thing is, like, do we enter after this 1 minute break and then now we have nothing to target? Yeah, we like that. Both indexes should have bull run. Beautiful. Inverse this 5 minute. We're looking good in both indexes. SMT. If we get a nice retrace now, no, okay. Probably no trades for today. Yeah. No trades. Hate when price just dumps or bull runs. Doesn't give us any entries. Holy noise pollution, bro. I mean, like, on that day there, like, we could have entered long after, like, but, like, we're gonna be gambling an imbalance then. Yeah, it's better off we stay out of that trading day. So we have 10 a.m. news. Today's been a long ass day, bro. Alright, we're at 9:30. We seem like we're printing pretty bullish. We have Asia and London in this 1 hour high. London highs are non-existent for ES. This shit's so annoying. Pre-market already took it out, so we could be targeting London lows. Let's see what this first 5-minute candle does. We're already in bearish order flow on the 5-minute. Same thing with NQ. So we want price to continue going lower at this point. Now we have an SMT off these 5-minute lows, unless NQ can. Okay, beautiful. We seem like we're printing pretty bearish now. If we get a nice 5-minute retrace, there we go. We're tapping this 5-minute gap. Let's respect it. Are you serious? Okay, there's kind of a displacement candle too. So we kind of accumulated during this gap. Kind of should have looked at NQ. Yeah, okay. So now NQ came up, manipulated these highs, created an SMT. Price should continue lower now. But we do have this imbalance. That's what's kind of cheeky. Because, you know, we don't gamble imbalances around here. We do have this 15-minute imbalance. Higher time frame, we are bullish. We have 6 minutes. Let's see how this candle closes. Alright, bro. So, there's the new 30-minute candle. We're inside this imbalance. Yeah, we would've got cooked. Like, bro, what is this PA? This is so confusing. Like, yeah. There's no trades, bro. Price came down, took out these lows, blah, blah, blah. 5-minute bearish order flow, 5-minute bearish order flow. We came up and shows, we saw no signs of, like, you don't take this long because we're still in bearish order flow on the draws. Like, you don't take that because we're still in bearish order flow. Indexes were opposite. No trading day. I am exhausted, bro. Why is it all flipped like this? Whatever. Another 10 a.m. news. Love to see it. Yoink. 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 We do have London low. And we also have these 30-minute lows. Higher time frame. We are in a bullish uptrend. Looks like we're currently retracing. On the 1 hour, we're bearish. See what info NQ gives us. 30 minutes. Excuse me. Thanks to this before, but the next time this 1-minute deal comes out, I am snagging it immediately, bro. Alright. Let's see what we get. Alright. Price just dumped. Manipulated these 30-minute lows. We could retrace now. Yeah, we took out all these 30-minute lows. There's a manipulation. I wouldn't be surprised if price prints bullish now, because we got a strong pre-market manipulation, but this downtrend is extremely strong. I wouldn't be surprised if we just dump, but we are tapping into a 4-hour imbalance currently. You have 10 a.m. news. We're in 5-minute bullish structure, but we have no draws and liquidity to be targeting. Honestly, no trades, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Like, we don't have shit to be targeting. 1 minute lows or highs. Like, this PA is kind of tricky, bro. Tricky. Yeah, price isn't moving the way we want to see it moving. If we get a nice retrace. No, you just want to keep bull running. Okay, there's a retrace in the 5 minute gap. And then there's the 1 minute break. Alright, let's break this down. Both indexes are in bullish order flow. What can we target here? We have this 5 minute high. This 5 minute high. This 5 minute high. This 5 minute high. We have all these stacked up draws, but we have no 30 minute highs. 15 minute. So we're currently retracing in the hourly time frame. We sucked out these 30 minute draws. Both indexes seem to be pretty bullish, but the higher time frame's bearish. But we came down, 5 minute bullish structure. Came down, retracing to this gap with a strong 1 minute break. Let's see what first TP would be. A 1-to-1. And then next TP. Like, we can easily flood through this, bro. Easily flood through this. I'm gonna do first TP at this 15 minute high. And then I want price to continue. Alright. First TP. Ooh, we don't like that. Hold on. 1, 2. What? Why is that terrible? Nah. We're only gonna set 2 partials. Alright, first partial. Let's see if we bang. Alright, as expected, we bang. So now, what I want to do is I kind of just want to trail. Okay, we swept out those. Alright, beautiful. Okay, we're locking in $500. Okay. So, let's see if price will continue higher. Yeah, okay. So, we were correct on this bias. Price took out these draws and liquidity and continued lower. That was the move for the day. Both indexes bullish. 5 minute retrace into gap. And then a 1 minute break. And then we have these draws and liquidity to be targeting. Honestly, we should have set our last TP all the way up here. Alright. Time to journal this. I'm a journalist. Go take a piss and I'll come back. Higher TF was bearish, but during pre-market we manipulated stacked 30-minute lows. Then market opened. Both indexes were in 5-minute bullish structure. Then 5-minute retrace into gap. Then 1 minute BOS. Targeted low resistance draws. Honestly, I was being kind of greedy because I thought price was going to go all the way up to London high. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to go to London high. But I definitely should have just like set my last partial there. Because let's see. Hold on. This was bang. No. Yeah, this was bang. Bro, again, bro. This was first TP, and then we should just like, I don't even know. I'm going to get pissed. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Dude, what if like a tornado of deadass comes? Just like wipes out my setup, bro. Low-key be kind of scary. Oh shit, we forgot about 10 AM news there. So we have 8:30 and 10 AM news once again. Do we have 10 AM news? Alright, so Thursday. I feel like I haven't taken a trade to session lows or highs in so freaking long, bro. Like literally. Alright. So we do have some higher time frame draws. Alright. Let's just get to market open. Whoa. So we're kind of choppy in the higher time frame. We don't really have any direction, but on the 1 hour, we're just printing bullish. Could be targeting. No. So we do have some draws to the upside that have potential to be getting swept out. See if NASDAQ can present anything for us. Alright, so we seem pretty bullish, but we did just about a strong draw on liquidity. It doesn't matter. Like, market doesn't need to fear, bro. Alright, both indexes are just ripping through the roof. We just swept out everything. Like, what is this bullshit, bro? NASDAQ took out everything. ES basically took out everything. Alright, what is price doing, bro? 10 AM news, do something. Boom! What the fuck, that was ass. So, we have all these imbalances. Price took out much all the liquidity to the upside. Like, what do I target here, bro? This 5-minute low? Inverse this 5-minute gap. Here we are in another one. I don't know, bro. What is this PA? It's just like hurting my brain. You know what? Yeah, you know what? You want to do this bullshit? Bitch, get the fuck out of here, bro. Give me that bullshit. So price wants to print bullish. We're gonna go bullish, bro. So confluence of this trade was honestly just a strong uptrend, retrace the 5-minute gap, and then 1 minute break, and targeted 1 minute highs. Price is just ripping, so we go. Follow the trend. 5 minute tap into gap. 1 minute retrace. Targeted 1 minute highs. Honestly, would I take this on my Express? No. But it's like a back test. So we learn, like we just learn what to do, you know? Like, I don't even know, bro. Like, this PA is terrible. I am so tired, bro. Market open. I'm pretty sure we have 8:30 news. Yep. Alright. Nothing there, nothing. We don't have jack shit. This PA is frustrating. Oh. I think this is our last day. Let's see if we can bang out, bro. See if we can bang out. So we have Asia low and ES. Bearish order flow. Did we? Yeah. Alright, let's see what price gives us. Bro, what is this, bro? Hold on. We have a little something here. Tapped into this 1 minute gap. I think it's like TJ's 1 minute strategy. And then kind of reacted off of it. Target these sector 1 minute lows, I guess. I don't even know. But price is just printing. Inverse this 5 minute gap. Alright, bro. We're done for the day. Sirens just went off. Oh, we have another week remaining. Never mind. Alright, hopefully next week can be profitable. I'm gonna go hide in the basement. I'll see y'all later. Stay profitable. Peace.